Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a mobile app with Appy Pie step by step clearly. To start a mobile app with Appy Pie, begin by visiting the Appy Pie website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the app creation process. You will need to sign up for an account if you don't have one. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. After registering, log into your account. Once logged in, click on Create Your App to start. Choose the category that best fits your app idea. Select the features you want to include, like chat, GPS, or notifications. Next, customize the app's design by selecting a theme that aligns with your vision. After selecting a theme, use the drag-and-drop builder to add elements to your app. You can customize colors, fonts, and icons to match your brand. Preview your app to see how it looks in real time. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. When you're satisfied with the design, proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to set up your app's monetization options, if desired. Once monetization is configured, move on to the app configuration section. Here, input details like your app name, description, and keywords. Double-check that all information is accurate and appealing. When everything looks good, click on the Publish button. Follow the prompts to submit your app to the App Store and Google Play. You will need to complete any required registration processes for each platform. After submission, monitor the app's progress and make any necessary updates. Congratulations, you've successfully started your mobile app with Appy Pie. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.